Hello everyone, welcome back to Yarn by the Glass. My name is Reese, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet these little cat coasters. So for this project we're going to be using more cotton yarn, just because it does better with liquids or hot cups if you're going to be using it for like hot coffee or hot tea, but it'll also absorb any condensation better for your cold drinks. So as you can see, it's going to be mostly the circle pattern that we have done on this channel before, but we're just going to be adding some of these little ears, all right, to make it resemble more of a cat, just for extra fun. I like to stick with colors that you would see on a cat, and I happen to find this cool color. It seems very cat-like, but you can use obviously whatever color you think would be, whatever you have handy, whatever color you would like. All right, so let me show you what we're going to be needing for this project. So for this project, we are going to be needing any kind of cotton yarn, a pair of scissors, a tapestry needle, and a crochet hook size H for the 5mm. All right, so once you find the end of your yarn, we're going to start out with our slip knot. Put that on our hook. And then we're going to start by chaining 4. So I'm going to grab the yarn, pull through that loop, grab the yarn, pull through the loop. Then we have 4. And then we're going to do a slip stitch. So going back into that first chain, we're going to grab the yarn, pull through, and then pull through the loop on our hook. Okay? So it makes this weird looking circle. And then we're going to chain 3. And then we're going to wrap the yarn around our hook, and we're going to insert it into the center of that circle. I'm going to grab the yarn. Now we have 3 loops here on our hook. We're going to grab the yarn, pull through the first 2, grab the yarn, pull through the second 2. All right. And so we've just done a double crochet. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do 10 more. So wrap the yarn around the hook, insert, grab, pull through, grab, pull through, grab, pull through. Okay, and so counting that chain 3 space, we're going to have 12 of these double crochets all together. And 12. So once you have that, we're going to join this by doing another slip stitch into the top of that chain 3 space. All right. And yeah, that looks a lot more like a circle, doesn't it? So we're going to do another chain 3. And now for the second row, we need to expand on what we just did. So we're going to be doing 2 double crochets into each stitch. And we're going to do this for the entire row. Okay, right up into that last spot where this chain 3 is going to count as the first 2. And so we're just going to be adding our second one into that spot there. And then of course, going into the top of that chain 3, we are going to do a slip stitch, all right, to join our row. There's the second row. Now we're going to do another chain 3, and we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to be doing 2 double crochets into each of these stitches. Okay. So now we are going to start on the ears of our cat. And so to do that, we are going to chain 1 And then into this next space right here, we are going to do a half double crochet. And then a double crochet into that same space. And then a triple crochet. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook twice and into the next space. Okay. And then one more time. Triple crochet. And then we're going to do single crochets down the side of that second treble crochet. All right. So without chaining or anything, you're just going to flip it onto its side, and you're going to put the yarn in between the two treble crochet posts. You're going to grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn, pull through the two loops that you have, right? And we're going to do 3 of these. There's 2 and 3, and then we're going to go down into that next space there and do a slip stitch to bring it in. All right, so there's one little cat ear. And then to move on to the next cat ear, we are going to skip 7 stitches, and we're going to insert our hook again with the yarn. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to be doing the same thing, but sort of backwards. So we're going to be doing our half double crochet, and 2 triple crochets towards that first ear. And then of course going and doing our 3 single crochets down the last triple crochet, ending with another slip stitch. Well, that does it for today. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you guys enjoy your cat coasters. If you like these kind of projects, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more ideas. I do try to post content once a week, and you can also follow me on social media for quick links, upcoming videos, and so on. All right, see you next time.